Good morning. It's about time to start Module 1. And the Module 1 is about the law. Okay, but before we get started, I just want to remind you of a few things. At least in this module, you have one video to look at. It's 53 minutes. It seems like long, but if you look at when you click on the link, it goes to the library Films on Demand, and it comes up. You'll find on the right hand side that is broken down into modules, and so you can look at various pieces that might be 2, 3, 5, 10 minutes a piece, so you don't necessarily have to sit down and watch all 53 minutes at one time. However, you are responsible for everything. Okay, then we have a quiz, and I want to also remind you that I am putting together, and certainly in this module, there is a set of keywords and phrases. Let this be a lesson. I'm going to use those terms for the quiz. So, and some of those aren't from the book, some of them are from the videos. Some will be from websites that you have to go to and explore. In this case, this particular module, we have one video, we have a discussion forum about the law, and we have video synopsis, that is what was the law about, the video, and module 1 quiz. Okay, now let's get started. We accept laws every day. We take them for granted. Why do we take them for granted? Why do we have laws? Why do we have regulations? And there is a difference, which we'll get to later on. But there is a difference. And what I'm trying to do in this short video here is just set the stage for what we're going to either look at in the video or talk about through the discussion forums. Okay? And if you look at your textbook, the first 5 pages is about the law. And it asks the question, what is law? And the headings are relationships and prohibited behaviors, reasonableness of behavior, goodness, fairness, consistency, enforcement. But one of the other things that I've done is I've gone to the library and did a little bit of research. And I came across this one particular book. It's called The Philosophy of Law, and it's by a man by the name of Murphy, Jeffrey Murphy to be exact. And I was looking at page 6, the beginning of the first chapter. And there's a stanza from a poem. The poem's from W.H. Lawden, and the poem is Law Like Love. And it starts out like this. Law, says the judge as he looks down his nose, speaking clearly and most severely. The law is as I've told you before. The law is as you know, I suppose. Law is, but let me explain once more. The law is the law. And that's the stanza. I thought that was very interesting. What it's trying to say, or what the author of that poem is trying to say, that stanza, is that we have a pretty good idea of what law is in our own minds. But do we really? What is the background? And that's what I want you to look at and examine when you look at this video called The Law. It is about the big global picture. It is about how we have relationships with our fellow individuals, the people on this planet. Okay? And so we take it from that and bring it down. Also, some of you that have taken RL 302 with me, you know that in the very beginning I offer you 2 definitions, one of society and one of culture. And the law is in many ways this element of the definition of society. That is, we are a group of people who are organized in a cooperative manner to sustain our lives. Now, there is reasonable behavior and there's unreasonable behavior. There's acceptable behavior and there's unacceptable behavior. The law changes. Our values change over time. the way we look at situations change over time based on previous experiences. And so again, I want you to look at this piece on the law, the video, and examine it from those standpoints. Okay? I'm hoping I won't make these little short synopsis videos too long. Hope this one hasn't been too long. I can be long-winded, as some of you know. Okay, have a good day.